Hello there. Welcome back to our channel. I've got something truly exciting to share with you today. There's a brand new website that will actually pay you a cool $7 for every song you listen to. Just imagine earning $70 by simply tuning in to 10 songs daily or a whopping $140 for 20 songs. So let's dive right in. First of all, to get started, you'll need to visit the Free Music Archive website. You can find the link in the description below. And the best part, we're about to make money while enjoying our favorite music. No need for complicated setups or a labyrinth of steps. We're keeping it simple and effective. Just click that blue box within the Free Music Archive category. Now, you might be wondering, what's our mission here? It's as straightforward as it gets. We're here to indulge in some fantastic free music, with your favorite songs right at your fingertips, and at the same time, make some serious money doing it. So the first step is to create an account. Just click that Sign Up button, fill in some basic information, and hit Register. Once your email is verified, punch in your email and password and hit Sign In. Your account is now ready to use. Oh, and one more thing. If you have an Android phone, you can easily snag this website's app from the Play Store. This website works seamlessly on any device, so you're good to go, no matter what you're using. Plus, it's a global gig, so it doesn't matter where you're tuning in from. Now, let's head up to the top of the page and click on Genres. There's no need to overthink it. Just start with the first one. We've got a variety of genres here, from international to historic, country, pop songs, rock songs, and more. Just select one. I'm going to choose pop. All right, here's the list. We're not going to download every single song here. We're going to cherry. Pick the best ones. Scroll up a bit and click on Date Added. Then choose the most interesting. Let's dive in with the first song. Just click on the icon and it starts playing. If it's a real banger, hit that orange box and boom, it's downloading to your computer. It's as simple as that. And now, I'm about to show you how to turn it into some serious cash. Pay close attention because this is where the magic happens. All right, so guys, it's time to introduce you to our secret weapon, fileupload.com. Creating an account is a breeze. Just hit that sign up button, fill in your info, including your username, email, password, and pick your payment method. I highly recommend PayPal. It's super easy to set up. And if you need some proof that this isn't just some pie in the sky idea, just click on Proof of Payments. You'll see people stacking serious cash here every single day, with over 600,000 people being part of this movement and a whopping total payout of nearly $1 million. Take a look at this. It pays you when you upload files, be it images, videos, or in our case, songs. It's a goldmine, folks. I've got my song ready to roll. All right, team, here's the game plan. We've got different upload options here, but we're going for the goal. Pick this one. Hit that bold orange box and choose your song. Once you've uploaded a song, they provide a magic link to that track. Now, all you've got to do is share that link with your pals. When they listen to and download the song, you cash in $7. And the best part? You don't need a massive social media following or anything fancy like that. But here's the twist. Depending on where your song's fans are from, you can bag $7 from the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada, or $3 from Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. Everyone else nets you $3 as well. Don't fret though, because I've got some tricks up my sleeve to maximize those $7 downloads. Stick around, and I'll show you how to skyrocket those numbers. So, here's the scoop. Head over to Facebook and search for Facebook groups that are all about music. You can put any singer's name in there, and you'll find groups full of music enthusiasts. Join these groups and share your song link with the community. It's that simple. Think about it. You're connecting with people who already love the music you're offering. They listen and download, and you get paid. And here's the best part. It's not complicated. It's just good old fun and profit. So get out there, share the music, and let the cash flow. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting money making tips like this. Until next time, stay tuned, stay cool, and keep cashing in.